Ladies Ride
2025!
and win.
Woo!
Welcome to Blue Dog Wine Co. It's the 2025 Grady's Ride.
25. Cheers.
Grady's Kids is a motorcycle charity ride to raise funds to assist families of children facing hardships. Now let's hop on our bikes and hit the road. Here we go.
Engines roar through the morning haze, wheels spinning on those winding ways. Every mile a promise made for the kids who need brighter days. Ride for the kids, ride for the dream, through Linn County down by the stream. Hearts on fire with a cause so true. Grady's Kids, we're riding for you. Chrome reflects the Kansas sun. Tires roll, but the work's not done. In the sound, the laughter grows from every hand that gave and chose. Leather jackets carry hope through the dust, through the smoke. Ride for the kids, ride for the dream, through Linn County down by the stream. Hearts on fire with a cause so true. Grady's Kids, we're riding for you. The Kansas sun, tires roll, but the work's not done. I see the laughter grows from every hand that gave and chose. Leather jackets carry hope through the dust, through the smoke. Ride for the kids, ride for the dream, through Linn County down by the stream. Hearts on fire with a cause so true. Grady's Kids, we're riding for you. Every child deserves a light to guide them through the darkest night. Together we'll break every chain, turn their struggles into gain. Ride for the kids, ride for the dream, through Linn County down by the stream. Hearts on fire with a cause so true. Grady's Kids, we're riding for you.
Say hi.
What's happening?
Engines roar like thunder rolls on the Kansas plains where the story unfolds. Leather jackets worn like shields of pride. We ride for hope, we ride for life. Grady's Kids, we're burning roads, carrying love in heavy loads. Through the wind, through the rain, we'll ease the hurt, we'll share the pain. We're not just riders, we're a chain. Link by link, we'll break the strain.